Hi, we are at the farm today. But wait, do you know where all the animals live? Let's find out. Look at the chickens. They have a cozy home called a chicken coop. Here are the pigs. They love rolling in the mud. Their home is called a pigsty. Here are the cows. They love to roam the fields, but at night, they rest in a barn, also called a cow shed. Horses love to gallop in the fields, but they come back and rest in a stable. Look at the sheep. They love to graze on the grassy hills, but at night, they stay in a pen. Goats are great climbers. Their home is called a shed. Here are the ducks. Ducks love to splash in water. They live in a pond. Oh, there are donkeys too. Donkeys help the farmer in carrying heavy loads. Their home is also called as a stable or a shelter. Farm dogs are great helpers. They guard the farm and herd animals. They live in a kennel. Farm cats love to chase mice and keep the barn safe. They live in the barn. Wow! Every farm animal has its own special home. Which one was your favorite? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you soon. Bye.